Hey guys, this is Rosa Kelly. Today I'm here with a new blank mini album to give you a walkthrough. So these are my Christmas edition mini album, and I know it's a little bit early for Christmas, but I want to make sure I have enough time to prepare, and also I want to make sure I ship these and a time for you guys to have plenty of time to decorate the book ahead of Christmas if you're giving this as a gift. So this is gonna be my mini album for the month of October. If you're part of the mini album subscription club, this is the mini album that you're gonna be getting for the month of October, and these are gonna be shipping more towards the mid of October. But I wanted to do the prototype early, and I wanted to do this video early because I'm also going to be having a release. So I'm gonna be taking pre-orders for this book. So if you're interested on this Christmas edition and you're not part of the subscription club and you want to just order as a one-time, I'm gonna be having pre-orders, so that way I know ahead of time how many I have to make. So I wanted to do the video right now and just give you the walkthrough of how the book looks like, so you can have a general idea. So let's go ahead and take a look. So this book measures 8 by 7, and it has a 3-inch spine, and it has 4 signature pages. And this book does have my traditional hinge, not the easy hinge, but the the one with the more I guess it's a stronger type of hinge. So on the first page here, this opens up like that, and we have a pocket. And then on the next page, this opens up and it opens down. Then this opens here and it opens to the side again, and then this opens up, and we have an upside down pocket over on that page. Then this is the easel page, so it opens up like that. And then here we have another opening side pages. And then this page here opens up like that. And it opens to the side like that. And then the back page just opens and opens. And then we have the inside front covers that are plain. Now, to these book, I'm gonna be including 2 add-ons. Now the add-ons are gonna be the color of the book, and these are gonna be for you to basically put one on the inside cover and one on the back cover if you wanted to, or you can put them on any page really that you want to put them, or you can have them as separate pieces, decorated separately. But one is going to be a pop-up feature. Okay, so I just have again the prototypes on this other craft color. So we're gonna have a pop-up feature, and we're also gonna have this envelope looking feature here. So this will open and open, and then we have this little booklet. It opens multiple ways, so you can put more pictures of things here on this side. And so these 2 are going to be added onto this book here as well. So just wanted to do the quick walkthrough. So if you would like to get these books, I'm gonna have a pre-order ready, and I'm gonna have the pre-order open until I have a max limit that I want to make. So I'm just gonna have it open until I reach that number. And if you're part of the mini album subscription club, those will be separate. You don't need to order this book because these would automatically be shipped to you for the month of October. So that way you guys have plenty of time to decorate your books. Now if you are doing the pre-order will be shipping more towards the end of October, beginning of November. And so yeah, so I just wanted to do a quick walkthrough of the book and what I'm adding to the website. Again, I just want to have enough time to prepare for Christmas. I just don't want to be rushing projects. I know last year my Christmas mini albums went out pretty quickly, so I just wanted to make sure to have enough for everybody who will want to get one of these. So I'm gonna have the link below. And so yeah, I hope that you guys like the book, and I hope that you guys are doing well, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.